Well, I done you, the boy IYAZ alongside the man JR. I said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. See, yeah, we used to be a team, running the streets, yeah, we was living out our dream. Oh, you used to be my brother, I was your provider, and now we separated into. Oh, when we was burning up the block, yeah, and everybody know when we stepped in the spot. Oh, see, we was like the dynamic duo. I never thought that you'd go, but you did, yeah, you did. Oh, and baby, you left and sailed away alone, yeah, alone. And now you got me trapped up on this island where nowhere to get home. And I don't wanna go, go, I don't wanna go, go, I don't want it down, no, I don't want it down, no, I don't.
The Big Wave by Pearl S. Buck. One day, when the sky was bright and wind smelled, the ocean lay so calm and blue that it was hard to believe that it could be cruel and angry. Hey, how was your day so far? It looks very fine. How about you? Same as yours. It looks like God taking good care of us. Kino is about to wake up.
Morning came so fast. Father, father.
Yes, son.
Nothing, father. I was glad that you are a farmer, not a fisherman.
Kino's father fixing his thing for farming. Wait, I'll call Kino's father. Then tell him that I'll wait for both of you to plant turnips in the Senate. As you say, now I'll go. Okay. Kino's home. Hey, shall we go to the Senate now? Remember?
I'll be there in a few minutes. Father, can I join? I will help you.
Sure, why not?
The Senate, Kino began to feel and sense that something is about to happen.
We should propagate well these turnips.
Of course!
Look, father! The volcano is burning again.
Oh, Kino's right. Oh, but
It looks very angry. I should not sleep tonight.
all night, while the others slept, Kino's father kept watch. Morning came, a strange fire dawned.
Father, look at the sky. It was red and gray.
Even here upon the farm, cinders and us, fell from volcano reaches.
And look at it outside. It was hot, it was hot, it was hot, it was hot. Come here, inside.
Kino's dad, help me pack all things and send it outside.
There comes a time when we hit a certain call, when the world must come together.
Why is the sea such a color?
We must be able. Prayer alone make us weak. If you are afraid, your hands tremble, your feet falter, and your brain cannot tell your hands what to do.
No one stirred from the home that day. Watching the sky and oily sea, Kino stayed near him. At noon, his father pointed down the mountainside.
Father, for what is the red flag?
All gentlemen castles is telling everyone to be ready
Be ready for what?
for whatever happens.
At 2 o'clock, the sky began to grow black. The air was as hot as though forest fire were burning. A deep-toned bell tolled over hills.
Action!
Wait, I'll talk to him in their house. Wait, I don't know. I don't know. Oy, sabi mo muna. Kino is about to wake up.
Morning came so fast. Father, Yes, son. Nothing, Father. I was glad you are not...
Oh, what
It looks by...
Dali. The zenith, Kina began to feel and sense that something is about to happen.
We should propagate well, these turnips. Look, Father!